Welcome back again to another video. So I'm going to take you through the process of how I achieve these 2 butterfly braids, and I'm hoping that you're going to find this video helpful and easy to follow. Okay, first things first, I started off by parting my hair. Okay, so I'm going to do like a curved part, but you can just choose whatever parting that you want to go with. You can choose from middle all the way down, but with me I just wanted to do like a curved part. Okay love, so just so you should know, I didn't blow dry my hair. Okay, so I washed the hair the previous day and I put them into like a 3-strand braid. So this is just the next day, and that is why my hair is looking this stretched out. Okay, to mold my hair into place, I'll be using this braiding gel by Bamsi. Okay, you can just choose to use any braiding gel of your choice, but this is what I normally use. So you want to start by making sure that your natural hair is like a nice and slick down. You don't want to have so many flyaways going on. Okay, I'm just making sure that my hair is like a flat enough, and then we're going to start doing the cornrows. Welcome back again to another video. My name is Jenna Tungo. If it's your first time here, you most welcome. If not, welcome back. Now that you're here, please be sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and to your family, and I will truly appreciate all your support.
Can I tell you what I loved about you? All the reasons that make it hard without you. Hard without you. Because back then, if I could do it again, would've make it less so.
So loves, I just went off camera and did the other cornrow, and this is what we have. Okay, so for the extension that I'm using, I had these braids for a while now. I don't even know how many packs these are. Okay, so they're just lying in the house and I decided to just use them. Okay, so I'm going to start by crocheting these braids into my cornrow. As you guys can see in the video, you're going to crochet the braiding hair depending on how big or small you want the braid to be. Okay, so for me, I just wanted the feeding braids to look a little bit big, but again, just like I've mentioned, you'll decide on what you want. So guys, I started off by crocheting bigger pieces of braid extension, okay, at the back side of the hair, and as I was approaching towards the front section, I just decided to reduce the size. Okay, so normally when you'll be doing the feeding braids, you want to start with the smallest piece, and as you braid towards the back part of your hair, you want the braids to increase in size. So that is why I started by crocheting the back. So we're going to have like a bigger braids, and as I crochet towards the front part of the hair, I'm going to reduce the size so that it can look seamless. Okay love, so this is the most important part. Okay, for these 2 strands of the braid extension, I'm going to take smaller piece of braiding hair from each strand. Okay, so that you can have 3 pieces of braid extension. Okay, now that we have the 3 strands of braid extension, we're going to start braiding the hair. Okay, and then after braiding like a 1 step, I'm going to start feeding in the pieces of hair that we had crocheted onto our cornrow. Actually, this is my first time doing this method, the crochet feeding method, and honestly I just love it. Like, if I'm to rate it out of 10, this method is very easy and it is perfect for any beginner. So if you have never braided or if you've never done any feeding braids, then this method is to go for, I'm telling you. So you just want to crochet the pieces of extension, depending on how big or small you want your braid to be, and then after that you're just going to start feeding in the braids just like I've shown you. Keep on watching, and I'm hoping that you're going to find this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. And if you will, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you're going to give it a try, okay, let me know in the comment section. And again, please like the video so that it can be recommended to some other people, and also help me share this video to your friends and to your family, and I will truly appreciate it. Okay, love, so I'm not going to braid all the way down because we're going to join and have like a one single, cornrow. So just keep on watching and you'll see exactly what I mean. And the process is pretty much repetitive on this other side as well. So you want to start by taking smaller pieces, okay, from each 2 strands of braiding hair so that you can have 3 strands of braid, okay? And then after that, now you want to start doing the braid. So you want to fit in the pieces of braid extension that you had crocheted onto your cornrow. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and I'm going to give this hairstyle a try again sometime in the future because I feel like it is super easy, especially if you don't know how to grip the roots of your natural hair. Just give it a try and let me know in the comment section down below. You can also do it to someone else, okay? Maybe your sister, your friend, your mom, and you let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, love, so once I'm done, I'll just go ahead and join this hair so that I can have one single braid, okay, of course at the back part of our hair. And that is just about it, guys, for today's video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and I'm hoping that you have learned a thing or two. And again, if you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also help me share this video to your friends and to your family, and I will truly appreciate it. Okay, so I'm going to just braid this hair all the way to the very end, and then once I'm done, I'll just go ahead and fluff this hair out, okay, so that can have that butterfly effect. So I'm going to pull the hair on the opposite direction, okay, for us to get that nice butterfly effect. When you'll be doing the cornrow, don't make the the cornrow again too tight, okay? Don't make it look so stiff that you'll not be able to pull the hair, especially if you're going for this butterfly braids. So you want to get that nice butterfly effect, okay? So once I'm done, I'll just go ahead and take my braiding gel and I'm going to apply it to the places we have the flyaways. And that was just about it, guys, for today's video. So I'm going to, of course, to accessorize the hair, okay? So thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for keeping me company. I'll see you guys again in my next one. Bye for now and take care.